your girl Maya D, back again for another video. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I have so much in store for you. But today, let's just go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to be showing you what the title of this already says. I am turning my home office and my second bedroom into my very own filming studio, which I'll be sharing with my boyfriend because he also does his own podcast. I'm gonna link it down below so y'all go ahead and check him out as well. But without further ado, let me go ahead and show y'all the before of my office. Come on in, let me show you around. When we originally moved here, we were so excited just to have a second bedroom because we were in the middle of the pandemic and we were both working from home. So we were just excited to finally have our own desk and not be sitting at the dining room table. But we've moved this room around a few different times, but it's usually always consisted of a desk for each of us and some sort of sitting area. But it really had just turned into my own personal closet where I would get dressed. When we realized we really weren't using the room to the best of its ability, we wanted to make a change because we wanted to have another space in our home to be creative and relax. But now it's time for you to get out so we can go ahead and do some demolition to the room. Y'all hear my dog shaking? I'm sorry, but we back again. And I got some peel and stick wallpaper off Amazon that I'm excited to use. As y'all can see, we cleared off this whole back wall. So let's get into it. Let's see. So this peel and stick wallpaper did not really come with any instructions, but we basically said, okay, let's line it up and try to make it smooth. So that's what you're seeing us do here. He's trying to line it up with the top of the wall, but also trying to make sure it's in line to the left and to the right of the other wallpapers. I read a lot of reviews online before I bought this wallpaper, and I was a little bit skeptical because a lot of the reviews said things like, oh, the bricks don't line up and things of that nature. But we just took our time, and for the most part they did line up, and we would just usually have to cut an inch off the top. So you'll just see us going through the motions, and it really wasn't too hard. But I would say if you're a couple doing this, you need to have great communication and patience. Y'all can't tell, we ran out of wallpaper, so had to go back on Amazon. We're back again for day 2. I got some more rolls of my peel and stick wallpaper. Shout out to Amazon Prime for getting it to me in 2 days. But let's go ahead and finish up. I can't wait till you all see the finished.
Get it again with the white fence. No.
Sorry. My dogs always want to be in the mix. Say hi to the people, Oreo.
Scary.
This is my dog, Oreo. Oreo, say hi to the people.
Hey, people.
Yeah, so basically after day 1, I was convinced that Jamal was just going to do this by himself. So I just stepped out the way and let that man do his thing. And of course, you know, I sat back and I watched just to make sure everything was done correctly. And I know this is DIY, but why do it yourself when you got a boyfriend in your life? Alright, y'all, I tried to help a little bit, and looking back at this now, I'm wondering why we didn't just go ahead and get a real wallpaper scraper, but our hands work perfectly fine for us. So if you're watching this and you're thinking about doing peel and stick wallpaper, I promise it's not brain surgery. So yeah, use your hands, find a partner, and get it done. It's really fun and rewarding. I will say that peel and stick wallpaper is a great alternative for accent wall if you don't want to paint or you live in an apartment where you're not able to paint. Woo! After 2 days of doing wallpaper, We are finally finished, and can I just say it turned out beautiful, y'all. I love it so much. Another tip to doing peel and stick wallpaper is you want to make sure you have an X-Acto knife. This will allow you to cut off the bottom of the wallpaper as well as any of the outlets you need to cut around in. And before the final reveal, here's just another quick reminder of what the office looked like before. Overall, I am just super happy with how all of this came out. The peel and stick wallpaper looks amazing. The chairs and side table really just added in some much needed personality for us to chill and relax. And my mom gifted us with these amazing floating shells. I think the really cool thing about these shells is that we'll be able to continuously change them for accent colors and a display for our content on our channel. Previously on this wall, we just had a bookshelf here, but we decided to add in my boyfriend's keyboard as well as pair it with a black accent rug in the room. And we got these curtains on sale at Walmart. Actually, they were like $9, and if you know, curtains are very expensive. Not too much change in this corner. This is my boyfriend's space where he can edit and work on his podcast. This wall over here really features both of our desks where we will sit down and be able to edit and get some work done, followed by our storage space that we use for our filming equipment. We have our ring lights and our tripods, as well as a double monitor, which comes in handy whenever you're working from home or editing videos. But the key feature is our TV that we added in, which was a great addition to the room. You know, so we can just have something on in the background or listen to music. The last thing that we added to the room were these curtains to go over my closet doors. One to just cover up the space, but also have another recording background. Alrighty everyone, that's a wrap. I just want to say thank you again for tuning into my channel and at my very own DIY office tour / filming studio transformation. And if you're anything like me, during this time of COVID-19 and what we call quarantine, I know many of us have worked on projects in our home. So I hope I gave you a little bit of inspiration, whether you have a new space or you're trying to spruce up one of your old spaces. I hope you really found and enjoyed something that you may like to use in the future. I'm going to be linking everything below in the description box, so feel free to check that out and see the amazing deals I got on everything because I love a good bargain. Last but not least, like and comment, but subscribe to my channel so you can continue to see many more projects that I have coming for you all. I'm just so excited. There's so much content to come. But have a great day. Your girl, Naturally Maya Simone, is out.